Ruth plotted 4 points on this graph. Which point has a y-coordinate of -3? AS, BT, CU, DV. Number 2, which expression is equivalent to 2x plus 3y minus 5x squared minus 10y plus 7x squared? A, 4x squared minus 7y, B, 2x squared plus 2x minus 7y, C, 2x squared minus 5xy, D, 2x plus 13y plus 12x squared. Number 3, which linear equation has the largest rate of change? Which linear equation has the largest rate of change? A, 2x minus 5y equals 50. B, 0.2y equals x plus 3. C, 6y plus 18x equals 9. D, 3.5y plus equals 7x minus 1.75. Number 4, when a student subtracts 7 from a number, the result is greater than 5/3 of that number. Let x be the number. What are the possible values of x? A, x is greater than -21/8. B, x is less than -21/2. C, x is less than 21/8. Or D, x is greater than -21/2. Number 5, the equation y equals 16x plus 5 represents the total monthly cost, y, of a cell phone plan when x minutes are used. Which graph most accurately represents this equation? Number 6, what is the value of the expression? A, 0, B, 3, C, 4, D, 6. Number 7, what is the complete factorization of -18x to the 8th plus 27x to the 16th? Number 8, which expression is a perfect square trinomial? Which expression is a perfect square trinomial? A, 121x squared plus 66x plus 9. B, 144x squared plus 60x plus 25. C, 169x squared plus 208x plus 16. Or D, 125x squared plus 200x plus 16. Number 9, which graph represents a function? Which graph represents a function? Number 10, which two coordinates in the Cartesian coordinate plane contain the line whose equation is x plus 6 equals 0? Which two quadrants in the Cartesian coordinate plane contain the line whose equation is x plus 6 equals 0? A, 1 and 2, B, 2 and 3, C, 3 and 4, D, 1 and 4. Number 11, what is the range of f of x equals -3 times the quantity 4x minus 5? Number 12, which expression is the completely simplified form of y -6, y -4 to the 3rd power? Number 13, Kelly drew a sketch of a square garden on the coordinate grid. 3 corners of the garden are the points P, which is -6, 2, Q, which is -2, -2, and R, which is -2, 6. And point S is the 4th corner. What is the equation in slope-intercept form of the line containing R and S? A, y equals negative 3x plus 6. B, y equals x plus 8. C, y equals 2x plus 6. D, y equals negative x plus 4. Number 14, what is the complete factorization of 5y squared minus 45y to the 6th power? Number 15, this graph shows the heat index versus relative humidity at a temperature of 80 degrees Fahrenheit. What is the slope of the line containing point T and point U? What is the slope of the line containing point T and point U? Number 16, the formula S equals C plus PC models the relationship between the selling price S, the original cost C, and the profit percentage P. Anna bought a bicycle for $250 and sold it for $300. What is her profit percentage? A, 60%, B, 50%, C, 20%, or D, 17%. 17. Ralph calculated the mean number of pages in 8 books as 224. He later realized that he used 220 pages for a book that actually had 200 pages. What is the correct mean number of pages in the 8 books? A, 204, B, 221.5, C, 226.5, or D, 244. 18. This graph shows the relationship between two variables, x and y. If y increases by 1 unit, by how many units will x decrease? A, 3/2, B, 2/3, C, 3, or D, 2. Number 19. Rosa can wash 15 cars in 6 hours. If Joel and Tony help Rosa and work at the same rate as she does, how many hours will it take them to wash 15 cars? A, 2, B, 3, C, 5, or D, 9. Number 20. What value of x makes this equation true? 5 times the quantity x plus 4 equals 3x plus 28. Is it A, 4, B, 6, C, 12, or D, 24? 21. Dina found that x squared over 4 minus 4x plus 16 represents the area of a certain square. Which expression represents a side of this square? A, x over 2 plus 4, B, x over 2 minus 4, C, x over 2 plus 2, or D, x over 2 minus 2. 22. Clayton's employer promises him a wage between $10 and $15 an hour, with a bonus ranging from $100 to $150. Which inequality shows the total wages, T, Clayton can expect to earn if he works H hours? 23. The local bakery sold cakes and cookies at an event and received a total of $1,000. If the bakery sold M cakes at $14 each, which expression shows the amount of money received from cookie sales? A, 1,000 minus 14 over M, B, 1,000 minus M, C, 1,000 minus 14M, or D, 1,000 minus the quantity 14 plus M. 24. The difference between the values of x and y is always more than 1. Which graph best represents this inequality? 25. Evaluate f, g, x when x equals negative 4. 26. Which number line shows the solution set of this compound inequality? Which number line shows the solution set of this compound inequality? 27. What is the solution to this system of equations? What is the solution to this system of equations? 28. Jerry plotted this line. Tim plotted another line that passed through 8, negative 8, and whose y-intercept was the same as the line Jerry plotted. What is the equation in standard form of Tim's line? What is the equation in standard form of Tim's line? 29. What is the equation in standard form of the line that passes through negative 3, negative 5, and has a slope of 2? Number 30. Which number line shows the solution of this inequality? Which number line shows the solution of this inequality? 31. Which graph shows the point of intersection P of a line A, graphed below, and line B, whose equation is 2y minus 3x equals 15? Number 32. Which expression is equivalent to the quantity x plus 8 times the quantity x minus 7? 33. Evaluate the expression x squared x cubed over x for x equals negative 2. Is it A, negative 32, B, negative 8, C, 16, or D, 64? Number 34. Which expression is equivalent to the quantity x plus y plus c times the quantity x plus y minus c? 35. What are all solutions of the equation? What are all solutions of the equation? 36. What is the product of x cubed minus 3y squared plus 6xy minus 52 and negative 3xy? Number 37. Completely simplify. Completely simplify. Number 38. Karen correctly solved x squared plus 3x equals 18 using the factoring method. What solutions did Karen find? A, x equals negative 6, 3. B, x equals 6, negative 3. C, x equals negative 9, 2. Or D, x equals 9, negative 2. Number 39. Which expression is equivalent? Which expression is equivalent to the quantity x cubed plus 5x squared minus 2x minus 3 minus the quantity 4x squared minus 6x cubed plus 3x minus 8? And number 40. Tim multiplied the dimensions of a rectangular prism and found its volume to be 12x squared minus 27. Which product could Tim have used? A, the quantity 2x minus 3 times the quantity 2x plus 3. B, 3 times the quantity 4x minus 3 times the quantity 4x plus 3. C, 3 times the quantity 2x minus 1 times the quantity 2x plus 1. Or D, 3 times the quantity 2x minus 3 times the quantity 2x plus 3.